Oh, he took it away from her. That's a cute picture with the fireplace in the background. Ashton, go sit over there. Hi, Sissy. My baby sister. That's so pretty with the fireplace going. Next year, do a picture by the fireplace with the kids.
And by you, I mean me. And no, the rest is pretty much literal. Well, I'm sure Jeremy would get exactly what
she's trying to drink too.
She asked.
Okay, wait. Let me take baby. See, she's trying to drink too. Look at her. She's trying to drink. Look at Parker's tail is in the way.
Parker has to go to the bathroom. That's why.
Oh.
You are such a child sometimes.
You know, Ferb, just think of all the wonderful things Sarah does for us. And he never asks for anything in return.
Austin. Kick.
As usual.
Watch Austin kick.
Man, no, that's all
Higher.
Okay.
Do it higher. Kick.
Oh, yeah.
Higher.
Hi.
Austin.
Come on.
Austin, kick.
Come on.
Show it, Nana.
Big
She'll
one.
show you. Higher.
I show you.
Come on,
You want to see it? Come on. Kick high. Kick high. Oh. I'm going to show you having a temper tantrum. Oh, good one. Okay. All right.
Okay, hold her though. Hug soft. Soft hugs. Okay, look at mommy. Say cheese. How about lay down? There's your booty. Ew, it's sticky.
No, that's mommy's camera. Don't touch.
Hey!
Don't
No.
play.
Ashton Besmer, you know better than that. That's a no-no. Now blow.
You're going to get spanking. This is a typical day in Lena's life. The girl with the master's degree.
Don't need a master's degree to be a mom.
Okay, take picture for mommy first. You have to take picture.
Put his fingerprint on my leg.
I know.
Let him touch it.
Take picture for mommy first.
Where's the Windex, Mom?
It's in the laundry room.
Well, that's as good as it gets.
It's a pretty picture by the fireplace. How did it
Ashton,
look?
get your feet out of her face. That's a no-no. She doesn't like it when you push her. Here, Violet, there's yours.
She wants yours. Come here, Violet. Come